What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today's video is about how to spice up your room. Now your room is your sanctuary. You got to make sure it's somewhere you want to be. That's why today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple things to spice it up. Now if you guys are into streetwear, hypebeast art, then you know what the cause figures are. They're some of my favorites. They have tons to choose from. They're super dope, but they're also very, very expensive. If you're like me and you can't see yourself spending $500 on a vinyl figure that's gonna stay on your desk or in your room that no one's really gonna see, then stick with it. On wish.com, they have the cause figures for no more than 30 bucks. Now a lot of people are iffy on the fakes, and I totally get it, but like I said, if you don't want to spend a crazy amount of money on a figure and you just want the artwork, you don't really care if it's authentic, then I highly recommend these from Wish. Just know that, it's not going to be the same quality. It's not a collectible at that point because it's, it's not authentic, but for the most part, it's just something that only you're going to see, so it's not a bad option to go with. So like I said, they're no more than like 30 bucks. Just know when you order from Wish that it takes about a month to get to you, so that's one drawback about Wish, but it is what it is. So next thing I recommend is bedding decor. So on redbubble.com, they have these dope pillowcases. They have anything from Supreme, Bape, Yeezy, Cause, Jordan, Nike, you name it, they probably have it. It's something that's super dope that you can either throw on your bed or you can throw on your couch. We all know normal pillows can be boring, so these will definitely spice up your bedding. Now there's two options when you order a pillow. You can either order the pillowcase itself, which is machine washable, and that'll run you for about 17 bucks. But if you want the pillow and the cover, it's only a couple more bucks, so I definitely recommend just buying both when you order. And a lot of them have sizing options you can go with, so all the way from 16 by 16 to 26 by 26. So for example, the 16 by 16 pillowcase and insert goes for 24 bucks, and if you want a bigger pillow, they have 26 by 26 inches, cover and insert for $43. So overall, it's up to you on the pillow size you want, but you can't go wrong with these. I would get a bunch of them and just have them on the couch or on the bed. It's up to you. Overall, I think it's just a dope thing to have in your house. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the next one. Next thing that's super important to having a dope room is some wall art. Now, there's a lot of options you can go with wall art, but there's one thing I highly recommend. Now, if you know me, then you know I'm a big fan of Alec Monopoly's artwork, but the bad thing about his artwork is that they go for thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, which I'm not spending money on because for one, it's hard to find, two, it's dumb expensive, and there's some other alternatives. So I went ahead on Google and found a picture that I liked and printed this out on a canvas. Now, if you guys have seen my older videos with my old backdrop, I had this in the background. Now, it's obviously not official because if it was, this would probably go for $5,000, but I got this for like 30. Let me show you guys how you can do that. Now go into Google and type in anything you want, any piece of art you want on your wall, type it in and see what you can find. I recommend trying to find an HD picture. It'll work best. It won't be, blurry when they blow it up. So once you find a picture, go to easycanvasprints.com. From there, choose your canvas and canvas size. So then all you have to do is take your picture, put it on the canvas, size it up, and you're good to go. Now the possibilities are endless with this. You can find crazy dope art on Google and you can put it on the canvas and blow it up. I think it's just a dope thing to do, especially if you're a fan of like more high-end artists where their paintings go for thousands of dollars. It's not a bad alternative. So I want to show you guys the size difference here. I got this from iconic.com. They have a bunch of dope art and their stuff is nice quality, but I bought this for 100 bucks and I bought this from Easy Canvas Prints for I think it was 30, no more than 35, and the size difference is insane. I definitely recommend Easy Canvas Prints, and a lot of the times they have coupon codes floating around online, so just search it up and I'm sure you'll find one. Now next thing I want to talk about are some wall decals. These are probably one of my favorite things on this list. So if you go on etsy.com, they have a bunch to choose from. They have Nike, Cause, Jordan, Bape, Palace, V-Lone. There's tons and tons to choose from, and they only range from like $8 to $12. And the cool thing about the decals is if you place them on the wall properly, they won't damage your walls. So you can place these either in your office, in your bedroom, anywhere you can put these. I think it'll give off a dope look. It's not like you have to go crazy with it. I think one decal will be enough, especially if you get like a nice big piece. I think it'll look super nice. It'll add a dope touch to your room. Oh, and I'll also link them below just in case you guys can't find them. And lastly, if you know anything about setting a nice vibe in a room, you need LED lights. Now the ones I recommend are these Wi-Fi LED strip lights. Now I like these because you can control the light with your phone, and also if you have an Alexa, it's compatible with that as well. So if you want, your lights to be red, say Alexa, turn my bedroom lights to red, it'll turn red. So the shortest length is $33. Now, I wouldn't recommend going for the cheaper option here. I would just pay the 33 bucks because it's not too often you pay for LED lights, so you might as well get good ones, that work. You can literally put these anywhere and the vibe will be so nice. You can put them behind your TV, behind your bed, on your ceiling, wherever you want. You can literally put these LED light strips anywhere. So I'll link everything in the description below if you guys want to cop anything. And of course, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like on it. It'll help me out so much. And subscribe to the channel if you were not already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.